Hello everyone, this is your maths class of second standard and I am your Neha ma'am. So today we are going to learn about time and calendar. What we are going to learn? Time and calendar. See, what is this? This is clock. In clock there are numbers from 1 to 12 and between each number there are 5 minutes. Totally there are 60 minutes. See this orange color. Can you see the orange hand which is having orange color? It indicates what? It indicates hour. 1 hour, 2 hour, that hour. How many hours are there? In a day there are 12 hours and in night there are 12 hours. Means total 24 hours. Okay. And this green color indicates minute hand. Okay. This orange indicates hour hand, green indicates minute hand. Now here the question is, how many minutes are there? In 1 hour there are 60 minutes. How many minutes? 60 minutes. See, you can see from 12 to 1 there is 5 minutes. From 1 to 2 again 5. Like this, if we calculate, then there will be 60 minutes. Okay. Now let's see other slide. See, now let's concentrate of months and calendar. In calendar, the days of week are there, na? You know now what are days of week? I know you all know, but you see, in mathematics, the days of week always start from Monday. Do you remember this? First day of the week is not Sunday, it's Monday. Okay, then likewise Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You always, what mistake you do? First day of the week you people write Sunday, but not Sunday. Sunday is the last day. Okay, in mathematics Monday will be the first day. There are 7 days, we all know. In one now month there are 12 months, starting from January ending to December. Like first is January, like the second February. You all know this month. We can ask you like this, that which is the sixth month. So you have to remember that it's June. We can ask which month comes before September. It will be August. Which is the last month of the year, to December. Then you have to remember. Then you have to remember how many days are there? How many days are there in 1 month? See, in January 31, in February 28 or 29. How you will remember? Huh? You don't need to learn it, but we'll do by this. See, you all are having like this your hands. So this one, can you see this? We need to start from here. This upper one, ये जो ऊपर वाला ऐसा part होता है ना, this is of 31, and this down, it is of 28. Okay, in February only 28 or 29. Then again up one is 31, down one is 30. You can see अप वन जो है, जो ऊपर वाला है, वो हमेशा 31 है, देखो. एंड जो डाउन का है, इट विल बी 30, ऑलवेज 30 एक्सेप्ट इन February. ओनली इन February there are 28 or 29 days. Okay. Now see the some points you need to remember. Today is the yesterday, today and tomorrow. What is today? The present day we are living. Okay, is today. Yesterday the day had gone, तो चला गया ना. The day before today is yesterday. Tomorrow, the day which is going to come after today. Okay, So do remember and do understand what is today, yesterday and tomorrow. Tomorrow को आप yesterday मत समझना. Yesterday means the day which had gone. Now see, 1 week is equal to 7 days. These all are important points. You need to learn them. We're going to ask anything, okay? 1 week is equal to 7 days. First day of the week is Monday. Do remember Sunday मत लिखना. Don't, in mathematics, or what should I say, according to our math countries, what accountancy, it's Monday is the first. Okay, को समझ नहीं आएगा, ऐसे समझो मैथ्स के हिसाब से फर्स्ट डे मंडे है. देन 1 year इज इक्वल टू हाउ मैनी वीक्स? 1 year इज इक्वल टू 50 वीक्स. एक 1 year में कितने वीक होते हैं? 52. हाउ मैनी? 52. एंड सम 1 2 3 days आर ऑल्सो देयर. 1 अप टू लिखा है, मतलब टोटल नहीं है, फिक्स नहीं. 1 year is equal to 12 months. 1 year is equal to how many days? 365 days. 1 लीप ईयर में है ना एक ज़्यादा आता है, जो है February में 29 होते हैं. In 1 leap year there are 366 days. Okay, now this points you need to remember that the short hand is called hour hand, the long hand is called minute hand. The face of the clock, wait, I'll show you. See this face, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? ये, this is called dial. What it is called? Dial. Okay, now it's divided into 12 parts. Okay, so the dial of the clock is divided into 12 parts. 1 hour is equals to how many minutes? As I told you earlier, it will be 60 minutes. And half past, half you had learned in fraction, that will divide into 2 parts. So if we divide 60 by 2, then उसका half क्या होगा? 30 minutes. Okay, and 1 day has how many hours? 24 hours. I know you will say मैम डे में तो 12 होते हैं, but 1 day means the whole day and night. Okay, total will say 1 minute. In 1 hour there are 60 minutes, and in 1 minute there is 60 seconds. Do remember. Okay, see, this is very important. So you need to take a screenshot and you need to learn. इसको अच्छे से learn कर लेना. Now next is what? See, these are points to be remember. Okay. Now next, wait, patterns. What are patterns? A pattern is a series or sequence that repeats. Suppose I am writing A, B, then I am writing A, B, C, then I am writing A, B, C, D. Then you will say, ma'am, now the A, B, C, D, E. So what is this? It's a series or a sequence जो repeat हो रहा है ना, that is patterns. And patterns जो है, there are of many types. अभी जो मैंने लिखा वो alphabetical pattern था. It can be number. If I'll write 1, then I'll write 3, then I'll write 5. मीन्स मैं 1 1 स्किप कर रही हूँ, 2 नहीं लिखा, 4 नहीं लिखा, देन आई विल राइट 7. ओके, पैटर्न्स आर ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स. नंबर पैटर्न, अल्फ़ाबेटिकल पैटर्न, रंगोली पैटर्न. आई ड्रॉ स्क्वायर, देन आई ड्रॉ सर्कल, अगेन आई ड्रॉ स्क्वायर, अगेन सर्कल. ओके, दिस इज रंगोली पैटर्न. देन सीक्वेंस पैटर्न, अगेन 11, then 22. Then what will come in next sequence? 33. Like this. This is the sequence pattern. So pattern is what? Basically they are series or sequence that repeats. Okay? Chalo. Bye bye everyone, and thank you for watching this video.